of Kids Baking Club, and today is What Is It Wednesday. It's where I show you a kitchen tool and a food item, but you have to guess what it is first. I'm going to give you some hints. All right, so the first one is our kitchen tool. Hint number one is they usually have handles. Yeah. Hint number two, it usually comes in a set of 4. Hint number 3, but when they come in a set of 4, they're not all the same size. Nope. Next hint, you would use it to measure dry goods like flour and sugar, brown sugar. Have you guessed yet? You are right. They are called measuring cups. Now, these measuring cups usually come in 1 cup, 1/3 cup, 1/2 cup, and then 1/4 cup. I actually did that backwards. It's 1 cup, 1/2 cup, 1/3 cup, and 1/4 cup. And this just gives us all the different measurements that usually we use for baking. Now, you do not use these for liquid because liquid is different. It's a different measurement. And also you wouldn't want to fill it all the way to the top and let it top over and spill in. You want to use these for dry ingredients. I love the colored ones. I always keep them stacked, clean and stacked in my cupboard. Okay, are you ready? Oh, just toss that. Okay, well, we're going to put this back in here. Okay, the next food item, hint number 1, is you definitely use this in baking. You can use it for other things, but most people use it for baking. The next hint is it comes from a tree. Yeah. It actually comes from the bark of a tree. Mostly found in places like Sri Lanka, West Indies, places like that. Any guesses? Next hint is it is a spice. Have you guessed it yet? Actually, if you buy this as the bark, it actually makes your house smell really, really good. But usually what they do is they grind this bark and it makes a spice that we use with baking. Have you guessed what it is? You're right, it is cinnamon. Cinnamon comes from the cinnamon tree, and what they do is they kind of peel the first layer of the bark, and then under that is this brown layer. It has this very distinct smell, very, very strong. Oh, so good for you. I actually sprinkle this in my coffee. Sometimes cinnamon is very good for heart health. And you can use it for all kinds of things. My kids love cinnamon toast, but you can sprinkle this on almost anything. And then you can use it in your baked goods. So we did our measuring cups and cinnamon. Thanks for joining me today. We will see you next week for What Is It Wednesday. Great guesses today.